In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new accounting system in Zoho Books. Setting up an accounting system can feel daunting, but I'll walk you through each step clearly and concisely. So let's dive in. First off, you need to go to Zoho Books. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books homepage. Once you're there, a list of your current organizations will appear. Choose the organization you want to set up by clicking on its name. This is where you'll begin managing your accounting operations. Next, find the Manage option and click on it. This allows you to access all the settings and features Zoho has to offer. This simple interface is designed to make your navigation as straightforward as possible. Once you're in the Management area, look for the option to add a new organization. Click on New Organization. This is crucial as it's the foundation of setting up your accounting system. Zoho Books provides an option called Clone Settings. By using this, you can copy settings from an existing organization to a new one, enabling you to maintain consistency across your accounts. After choosing to clone settings, go ahead and click Close. This will finalize the cloning process. Now, let's continue with setting up the new organization. Go back and click New Organization again, and then select Add New Organization. You'll now need to input the name of your new organization. Typing in the organization's name is essential for Zoho to personalize the accounting system tailored to your business. Following this, choose a location for your organization. This sets up location-specific details such as tax regulations and currency. With your organization name and location saved, you'll see a prompt that says, "Let's get started." Go ahead and click on this to proceed. As you move on, you have to choose the industry your organization belongs to. This selection will help Zoho Books customize certain features and settings specific to the needs of your industry. After selecting your industry, choose the correct state or province to align with local requirements. The next steps involve selecting a currency and a language for your organization. These settings are vital as they influence financial reports and communication within Zoho Books. Lastly, be sure to choose your time zone. Setting the correct time zone ensures that all your financial records are time-stamped accurately. Finally, once you have completed all these selections, click Get Started to finalize your new accounting setup. It's as simple as that. You've now successfully created a new organization in Zoho Books, ready to start tracking its financial data efficiently. Remember, each step is designed to cater to your specific business needs, ensuring a streamlined accounting process.